So here's how to check someone's following on Roblox on your mobile phone. So for that reason, first of all, open up the Roblox on your mobile phone, then simply go with the connections. And now if you just go here, you can simply go with the person that you want to see they are following. So I will go with the Sonic Boy right here and simply go with this following button. Simply tap on the one following and it will take some time to load. And then from here you can see he is now currently following this person. If you want to visit their following, simply tap on the profile icon and it will bring it to the following follower button. So that's how you can simply find out or check out someone following on Roblox. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.